project was to migrate one of the world's largest insurance companies out of an on-premise data center into the cloud. We were picking up and moving a highly interconnected Oracle e-business suite and EPM, Hyperion and S-based estate that linked into payment gateways, data warehousing, other systems. Clearly being an insurance company, and we had to work around year ends, quarter ends throughout the process, work with multiple teams across the globe, as well as other partners in the project too. The size of the estate we moved was over 170 virtual machines, comprising Linux and Windows. We migrated nearly 100 terabytes worth of data. We have a large number of backups going off to object storage. We have a few terabytes in file system storage, roughly 30, 40 load balancers in the solution as well. So a sizable estate, whichever way you slice it. The customer had multiple business drivers behind their migration. Their existing MSP was largely inflexible, providing a service that was struggling from a performance, and most importantly for them, a growth perspective. They were highly constrained on space. The on-prem solution just wasn't giving them the elasticity and the future-proofing they needed to go forwards. The performance since migrating to the cloud has just been phenomenal. We've seen 20 to 40% as a standard gain across the board. Some of the batch processes have improved by 50%, and this is all while the system's been growing at 2 terabytes a month. Inoapps provided a whole set of additional value-added services inside the cloud migration. A lot of these focused around security offerings, file integrity monitoring, antivirus and malware solutions. We provided log aggregation and anomaly detection services in there. One of the key aspects we also provided was a substantially improved RTO and RPO, especially for the lower non-production environments. One of the things that surprised us most about the migration is how we took the opportunity with the customer to use the migration to cloud to actually improve the security posture of the organization. Inoapps provide a lot of value from our MSP program, but we clearly feel we provide a much more tailored, personalized service that's custom fitted to the exact requirements of the client. In this particular case as well, the customer's actually seen a 50% reduction in run costs. The migration to the cloud's provided a large amount of benefit to the customer for an operational efficiencies. By using Oracle Cloud with Inoapps managed services, we've been able to take tasks like the periodic cloning of systems, taking a production environment and cloning it to a lower environment. We've been able to shrink that process from something that's a multi-week, nearly month-long engagement. Now it's within the Inoapps arena, we're managing to do that in just a few days. Using Oracle Cloud, we've been able to significantly improve many aspects of the non-functional requirements for the system. If you look at things like the RPO, recovery point objective, and RTO, recovery time objective, we've been able to significantly improve them. We've used a combination of multi-regional deployments, so crossing geographies, as well as capabilities like Oracle Object Storage, block level, snapshotting, etc., to provide much higher resilience levels that we had in the existing solution. The project was extremely successful. We've already talked about the fact that there was a reduction of 50% in run costs. The project, most importantly, was delivered on time and in budget, which clearly keeps everybody happy. And the performance gains have just been phenomenal. The customer couldn't be more happy with them.